Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part two of this. I really made it make it yesterday, but I didn't ever get back around to it. So this one is out of order. But to change it, you've got to click on it, you've got to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. And then that one's out of order, but that's fine. And then same thing with this, we need to go back a page. So that's Object, Order, back a page. So let's make a hotkey. Now, it should be, well, let me click on something. It should be Control Home. I don't have a home on my keyboard. There's probably some trick, but I don't have a home. So we're going to make a hotkey. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands, and instead of looking for it, I'm going to go right here to Object, Order, back a page, and there it is. Now I'm going to go to Hotkey, and I'm going to, so it's Control N, and I don't have an N either. So we're going to make it alternate B for back a page. And then hit assign, say okay. Now I'm on for the front of page, so I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands, and go up here. Even though they're not highlighted, I can go front of page. And see, it's Control Home. I don't have a Control Home. So I want to put it, so I'm going to go Control or alternate F. So I got alternate B and alternate F. You've got to assign it and say, okay. Now, when I want to take this one and I can alternate F, it put it in the front. When I want to take this one in the back, alternate B, and it put it in the back. I've still got a red line there. And then, of course, this one needs to go alternate B. Boy, I don't know why the lines just don't disappear. Now, these other ones that when I ungroup, well, let's just do it. Shift select all three of these, three objects, Control G to group them. And we need to move it to the front, so alternate F. Of course, now that one's in the same thing. I ungrouped too many items. Let's just do it. Shift select the three, Control G, and then alternate F for front. Pretty cool. Save you a lot of time when you're doing. If you didn't watch part one, I'm having to go a lot to Object, Order, back a page. Now your keyboard might have an N, and your keyboard might have a home. But even if it does, those hotkeys will be pretty fast because they're right there by the alternate key. They're just a few keys apart. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.